First, open Ideogram AI in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you're completely new to Ideogram AI, the best way to start is by learning the basic workflow before exploring advanced features. After signing in, take a moment to explore the main dashboard. Find the image generation area and open it. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe the image or design you want to create. For your first project, keep the idea simple. For example, you could ask Ideogram AI to create a realistic mountain landscape at sunrise, with snow-covered peaks, soft golden light, detailed clouds, and cinematic photography. After entering your prompt, review the available generation settings. Depending on your current account and the latest interface, you may be able to select different models, aspect ratios, styles, or other creative options. Choose the settings that fit your project and start generating. When the results appear, compare the different variations. Choose the image that best matches your idea. If the result isn't what you expected, improve your prompt instead of starting over completely. Add more information about the subject, background, lighting, colors, composition, or visual style. Once you're comfortable with basic generation, explore other available tools. You can experiment with text-based designs, logos, posters, social media graphics, thumbnails, stickers, product visuals, and image editing workflows. Try one feature at a time so you can understand what it does and when it's useful. It's also